today, band, we're going to talk about layering. And there's many different types of layering. Chocolate layering, pizza layering. Okay, all right. So stomp your feet with it. 1 foot, please. I'm going to do 4 beat rhythms. After 4 beats, when you hear mine, you repeat it. All right, you'll call it. 1, 2. Let's take that last rhythm that we did, put it to the B flat scale. We'll do the first 5 notes, ascending and descending. I want you to keep on stomping your feet, so we'll keep the tempo within ourselves. All right? I might knock this out. Okay? So we'll start B flat. Once we're B flat, let's get ready. 2, B flat, 2, ready, and. Alright, now let's go ahead. I'm going to do that same rhythm again. We'll do the whole B flat scale. We'll do in rounds now. Alright, and so first row, you come in first, and then I'll cue the next 2 rows. Alright, 1, first row, 2, 1, 2, ready, and. Number 53 in the book. No. Alright, so we explored a rhythmic type of layering where we had this type of beat and then we did a clapping thing and we did stomping and pitch, and now we're going to have 2 different types of pitch lines, okay? So just showing you the many different types of layering we can do. I just want to emphasize, if you look, part A says melody and part B says harmony. I don't want you to think that one part's more important than the other. It's just as important for the melody to come out with the texture just as it is for the harmony to support and be soft, okay? One is not more important than the other. Now, row 1, you'll play part B, row 2, part A, row 3, part B. So who's playing part B? Raise your hand. Yeah. Part A? Good, good. So row 3 and 1, you need to listen into the middle row. All right? Let's see what we got. 53. 1, 2, ready, and. Yeah? Did you hear the trumpets? No. All right. So trumpets, you got to bring it out. Okay. How about horns? Did you hear the horns? Yes. Well, we got mixed reactions. So what does that mean? Middle row, maybe play forte. Outer rows, play mezzo piano, especially tubas because you have a good projecting sound. Okay. All right. Again. Let's see what that does. 1, 2, ready. see what we got. Let's just start at measure 3. Let's do that decrescendo. Everyone is in. 1, 2, ready, and. Very good use of dynamics and balance. All right, let's go ahead and move on to the piece Atlantis. Look at me when you have your piece out. Get in plank position. Alright, we're going to start at the measure 2. I'll give you 3 and we come in. We'll play till measure 20. Ready? Here's 3. 1, 2, 3. When do you think the music starts, it divides into 2 different parts? Well, yeah, I kind of get the answer, but yes, good job for the perception of hearing. All right, so who thinks they have the accompaniment? Yeah, good. All right, so accompaniment, I want you to play. Melody, so who do you think melody, who's melody? Yep, good. Melody, I want you to listen to see what dynamics they're playing and what you have to do in order to come out of that, and to be heard, okay? Measure 12. Not 2 teeth. No flutes, trumpets, or oboes. Listen to the accompaniment. 1, 2, measure 12, and. I want that in your articulation. Let's try that. Accompaniment. 1, 2, measure 12. 2, ready, and. With me? Good. And just make sure to make your stems high enough that you can see this conducting, just so we're staying together. Okay? All right. Melody. Let's see what you have to do in order to be heard over that. This beautiful accompaniment. Yeah? Measure 12, melody. 1, 2, ready, and. Let's go over your notes in measure 18. Note by note, measure 18. 18. So F, A flat. Good. So it should be pinky, yeah? Yeah. So D flat right there. D flat. Yeah. Good. All right. Now, it says everyone's at mezzo forte at 12. Do you think that's going to work for us? No. So what do you think we have to do?
Bring out the melody.
What's that?
Bring out the melody.
How do we bring out the melody?
Back off the melody.
Yeah. So maybe what we did with the ara, li, Outer rose, bring it up one dynamic level, or accompaniment, bring it down a dynamic level, and melody, bring it up a level. So melody's forte probably, right? And then accompaniment, mezzo piano. Let's try that. We're at 12, everyone. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, and. Time. Now let's look at measure 37. Everyone go to 37. Everyone in? Let's see what we got. Think of what type of layering we have here. Okay? 1, 2, 7, and. Yeah, it's kind of like a call and response thing, right? You know how we did the rounds? So this is kind of like a cannon, right? If you tell your parents that, they're gonna give you ice cream. You've learned like so many new things today. All right? So if you have the melody, only if you have the melody, you heard the flutes, trumpets, no-go play it earlier. If you have the melody, or if you think you have the melody, go ahead and play it every other time. Don't play. All right? 37. Play if you have the melody. 1, 2, ready, and.